everyone, my name's Cecilia and I'm just going to introduce you all to the microscope. I'm sure you have used one before, but not one quite like this. It's the dissecting microscope, and that's important because when you're using the boom stand, it allows you to move over the preparation during the observation of the preparation. Okay, so with this microscope, you can move it up and down with these two knobs, and it moves down at different tightnesses, and if it's too tight, you can loosen it. But if it also could be too loose, in which case it would just drop down like that. So you don't want it loose like that, so you probably want it more tighter, but you can just work with that as you play around with it. So when you're trying to loosen or tighten the microscope, you want to hold it still with your left hand like this, and you can tighten or loosen with the other hand. So I'm loosening it right now, and that allows it to drop very easily. Or you can tighten it with the other hand and go the other way, and it stays still. Okay, so now we're gonna start looking into the microscope and making sure it's focused. So we're gonna start by making sure that the microscope is fully zoomed out. While we're focusing, we can zoom in later, but for now we're just gonna make sure it's all the way out. Next, we're gonna adjust the eyepieces in and out. You can see whatever is comfortable for you and your eyes. So now we're gonna focus each eyepiece. So what we're gonna do is cover one eye and look through the microscope with that eye. And if it's not focused, you're gonna adjust with this knob until it's focused. Then you're gonna cover the other eye and look through the eyepiece. And you're gonna adjust that eyepiece properly so it is focused. So now, if you want to zoom in on something, you can use the knob on the right side to zoom in and out. But if it's not focused properly, if, for say, your right eye is not focused, you want to adjust using this knob like you did before. And if your left eye is not focused, you want to adjust using this knob. And also, because of COVID, we want to make sure that everybody stays safe. So before or after, you can wipe off the microscope eyepieces, the knobs, and everything else with a Clorox wipe to make sure kill any germs.